Hey YouTube, it's Eli and welcome back to my channel for another video. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at which camera you should get for your videos.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry, I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz, put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot overheated.
If you are new to making YouTube video or thinking about getting started on making YouTube videos, you're probably thinking about which camera you should get. Maybe you've been thinking about getting a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or maybe even stick to your smartphone. If you would like to know more about the differences between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera, there's plenty of videos on YouTube. If you would like to see me talk about the differences between those cameras, drop some likes to this video and comment down below, and I will do an update, a follow-up video talking about the differences between those two cameras. Before we get into this video, make sure to drop some like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. If you're new here, we make weekly videos talking about how to get started on YouTube and the gear that you need to use to improve the quality of your videos. And we have been thinking about posting more videos during the week, but it is a little costly to make those videos. So if you'd like to see more videos posted weekly on this channel, here's how you can help us out. We're gonna have our Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. You can go and click on that link and go to Amazon and get anything that you would like. And when you make a purchase using that link, we will get a small commission, which in turn would be invested back into this channel to help improve the quality of our videos. Now, let's get into this video. This video is not gonna be a comparison video to tell you which one is the best camera to get, but rather which one would be more beneficial to you. And the best way for you to decide which camera is going to be better for you is to define your needs. What do you need the camera for? Maybe you're somebody that posts short videos on social media. Maybe you got a YouTube channel, an Instagram, TikTok, or maybe even Facebook. In that case, your phone would be the best option to go with. Our smartphones now are so good at making videos. If all you need is just to post social media videos, then your smartphone is more than good enough. Maybe you want to improve the quality over what you're already getting on your phone. There are apps for that, and there are plenty of accessories that you can add to your phone to improve the quality of your videos. Maybe you do more than posting on social media. Shoot music videos, nothing crazy, just something that a smartphone just wouldn't be the best option for. In that case, I'd recommend going with a mirrorless camera. It gives you all the feels and all the controls of a good camera, but it's not gonna break the bank to get a decent camera. Now, if you're somebody that gets hired on the regular to make videos or take photos for clients, I'd recommend going with a DSLR. It's not that it's much better than the other ones, it's just that it looks more professional. Now, if you show up to a job site pulling out your phone as your camera, you're probably not gonna get any respect. A mirrorless camera might be able to get you by, but with a DSLR, people are gonna look at you like you know what you're doing. Now, that should not determine whether or not you can get the job done, but it's just how it is. But definitely, if you are looking into making commercials or short films, then a DSLR camera would be the best option for you. I myself, I am very new to this whole videography world, but all the research that I've done so far seems to be pointing in the direction of all the things that we just talked about. But always remember that the best tool for the job is the one that you have and already know how to use. So don't let what people are saying about which camera is better for the job determine what you get. Just focus on capturing the best quality image that you can for your videos. And that is all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time in the next video.
Time is money. Yeah, this ain't money. Don't grow on trees, so how I'm supposed to get some honeys? If I ain't thugging, I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case. Yeah. Money and everything.